The omnipresent fourth industrial revolution promises faster, more efficient, and all-round improved production through intelligent network systems along the entire value-added chain. But this also gives rise to new challenges, such as plant IT security or the controllability and availability of increasingly complex systems. Because even the smallest of subsystem faults can, in the worst case, cause a complete loss of production. As a manufacturer of process control systems and MES solutions, ProLeiT delivers automated monitoring services for IT systems. Our customers benefit from reliable, fast and qualified service for the entire life cycle of all plant IT and BRUMAC systems. From system development, engineering and project management to a comprehensive service package, customers receive everything from one source. When it comes to ensuring the high availability of production plants, the majority of plant operators rely solely on the regular maintenance of their IT systems and hardware components. But maintenance simply represents a momentary snapshot of the plant components. The time courses of relevant plant parameters, such as peak loads or sporadic disruption, are only recorded randomly or remain completely undetected. The ProLeiT service concept includes these regular maintenance activities. In addition, we provide service engineers with the tools to identify high-risk situations and faults at a glance, and to implement corrective and preventive actions to minimize the likelihood of damage. ProLeiT System Monitoring enables the 24/7 monitoring of all relevant IT system parameters. It collects, processes, and delivers data in real time and alerts service engineers as soon as predefined parameters are not met. But instead of reacting when it's too late and the damage has already been done to the subsystem, the efficient interaction between service engineers and ProLeiT system monitoring ensures component failure and overload are detected as early as possible and expensive interruptions to production are minimized. This type of predictive maintenance helps to cut maintenance costs, reduce downtime, and guarantee high plant availability. As usual, the best part comes last. Our system monitoring enables the monitoring of various production facilities from a central location. Peak loads or faults are analyzed and assessed by ProLeiT experts and appropriate actions taken locally. As a result, the reliability and availability of the plants, systems, and related components increase significantly. Know what happens before it happens. ProLeiT.